Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Ethereum. The Ethereum chart continues to move sideways. I'm not going to talk about the daily chart today because nothing changed. Even here on the smaller time frame, we have hardly any change. Only the microstructure might be worth discussing. For those who are new on the channel, I'm still tracking primarily this 5-wave move to the upside. I'm not sure if we get 5 waves. Bitcoin seems to be a step ahead. But either way, Ethereum should, to really stay on that roadmap, form one more high in this larger degree third wave that should take the price to 1925 plus. That's the 138% extension. Yeah, 1925. Would like to get the price there in a fifth wave. That's wave 5 of C of 3. To complete that third wave. Then we want a fourth wave. Then we want a fifth wave. Then we get all 5 waves to the upside completed. Support is currently defined between $1,680 and $1,760. This is standard support for such an internal fourth wave. I mean, I'm tracking that as an internal fourth wave. Ethereum is consolidating just as Bitcoin is, with the difference that Bitcoin has actually in this third wave already reached minimum targets. Bitcoin has reached my targets. Since then, nothing happened, really. It's been moving sideways. Now, Ethereum, not yet. But again, also here on the Ethereum chart, I'm less confident that Ethereum actually will reach those levels because the Ethereum chart is just sloppy, and unfortunately, the performance isn't great. And it's about just tracking the waves. I mean, for those who want to trade it, I mean, there is a support area. It's well defined between 1680 and 1760. You can use it for scalping or whatever you want to. Just note that below 1680, the structure will likely shift and the trend will start to be rather downward instead of upward, as it is currently in the white scenario. So I'm tracking this support zone here. And for now, we are still holding way above it. I mean, just moving sideways essentially between support and resistance, between support and the upper fib levels. And I'm tracking this currently as an internal wave 4 triangle pattern. Triangles are A, B, C, D, E structures. So what we need is a series of higher lows and lower highs. We have that. The only wave that is allowed to overshoot is the B wave, which it did, which is actually quite bullish. But I'm skeptical about triangles. But for now, this could be an A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. But there's a clear risk management level, which is the low of the C wave, Monday. So it must hold above this low. It must hold above 1747. Why? I thought it's support, you might ask. You know, Fibonacci support. Well, for sure. This is support for a wave 4. But the triangle itself is only valid as long as the E wave does not break below the C wave low, because that would be a break in structure, invalidation of the pattern. Okay, it could be another wave 4 then, but not the triangle. That's it. Now, if we start to get a break above the D wave high, that's at 1842. That would be like a first indication that the fifth wave to the upside has started. Confirmation would be a break above the B wave high that's located at 1858. And so it's moving up and down, back-to-back corrective price action. I think we should come close to finishing now this sideways consolidation. But obviously there's no end in sight yet. The last rally also ended in 3 waves, which prompted me to add this triangle because it's back-to-back corrective price action now. And it's important to watch the C wave low, and if we break below that, you have 1715 and 1680 as next Fibonacci support. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you are interested in member-only videos or updates about other asset classes, check out our membership. There's a trailer on the channel page. It explains to you the membership options. You get access to member-only videos. I covered Rune, Pepe, Bonk, Brett, Polygon in recent days. As a gold member, like the highest tier, you also get access to our Discord server. For regular live stream access, you can ask questions, connect to the community, connect with me. You get access now as well about gold and silver updates. So the gold charts, silver charts are now included in our highest membership as well. So there are lots of improvements coming through all the time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.